Hello students, let us continue the lesson Internet Services, and in my previous video I have discussed till telephone line. So in today's session we will see internet connection. So what is internet connection and from where to get the internet connection? Let us learn in this video. An internet connection is a service provided by an internet service provider in exchange for a fee. Internet connection is a service. Okay, we are getting the service, and this service will be given by ISPs, internet service providers, or you can say companies. So companies will give this service in exchange for a fee, means they charge for the users, and users are going to pay the money for those companies, and companies will give the service of internet. You will not be able to access internet unless you subscribe for a connection with any ISP. It is not possible to access internet unless you subscribe to any of the connection with any ISP. Okay, means like you can take BSNL connection or Airtel connection or any one of the company. So you have to take the this one connection. So those are ISPs. So companies are ISPs, and at any cost we should have that connection. Then only we can access the internet. Some of the most popular ISPs are here. They given some of the examples, and so these companies so provide the internet connection: BSNL, Reliance, Airtel, Sifi, Idea Cellular, Vodafone, Jio, and many private companies are there. So they give in a metropolitan cities they give a broadband connections. Okay, so you can take you have to subscribe for those ISPs to get the internet connection, and for their service they are going to charge for the users. Okay, so whatever the plan user selects, so according to that plan, so they get the speed and they get the connection. This is internet connection, and the next point comes, that is types of internet connection. Several types of internet connections exist that enable us to connect to the internet. Several types of internet connections are available, so that connections are existing to connect with the internet. So what are those connections? So we'll see now. Okay. First one is a dial-up connection. Dial-up connection requires the users to link their phone line to a computer in order to access the internet. So in a dial-up connection, user needs to link his phone. Phone is not a mobile, landline. Okay, so he has to link his landline mobile to his computer to access the internet. In order to access the internet, so user requires to link his landline mobile to the system. This particular type of connection does not allow the users to make or receive phone calls through their home phone service while using the internet. So this is the biggest drawback of this connection, dial-up connection. So what happens if you are using the internet in your system? In that cases, this dial-up connection, so this internet connection will not allow you to make any calls, and it will not allow you to receive any calls. Okay, you means you can't use your phone. So in simple terms, you cannot use your phone, means landline phone, while using the internet. So that is dial-up connection. It is not possible to make a calls also, and it is not possible to receive the calls, means calls won't come only to receive. So that is a dial-up. So that so no one will use that dial-up connection, because of that drawback. Okay, we cannot use our landline while using the internet. Next point comes, that is broadband connection. As the term suggests, this connection uses wide bandwidth, which provides high-speed internet access through various transmission mediums. See here, broadband. So the term itself is suggesting this connection uses wide bandwidth. Okay, so wide bandwidth will be used to connect with the internet. So this connection gives a high-speed internet. Okay, so via transmission mediums, we can get the high-speed internet connection by using broadband connections. It is significantly faster than a dial-up connection. So compared to dial-up connection, this broadband connection is faster. Using broadband, you can share videos, download music, programs or photos within no time. By using this broadband connection, if you want to share any videos on the web, okay, on the online, easily you can share, because we have a extreme speed of net connection. So to upload the videos and all, we need a good network. Okay, if we have a poor network, in that case it is difficult, so video won't get uploaded quickly. download music. If you want to download any music, you can download it. Programs, if you want to download any programs means softwares. You can download any softwares, or if you want to download any photos from the web, you can download it within no time, means so very quickly it gets download. Unlike a dial-up connection, a broadband connection does not disrupt your phone line, so you are free to make and receive calls while online. So in a dial-up connection, what's happening? You cannot use your phone, means you cannot make a calls and you cannot receive a calls. But so that a drawback has been removed in this broadband connection. So in this connection, you can make a calls also and you can receive a calls whenever you are using the internet. So while using the online, you can use your phone also. Okay, you can make a calls while using broadband connection. So this is so in this video, dial-up connection and broadband connection is explained. So in my next video, you see cable TV connection. What is cable TV connection, satellite connection? So these other points will be discussed in a next video. If you have any queries, any questions, you can ask during online classes. Thank you for watching.